I was going to ask, where do you see the future of data science and machine learning heading to within the next 5 years? It's
I,
explosive.
I can't really speak so much to the research aspect of it anymore, but I could say that, at least from an industry standpoint, I feel like we're definitely getting to the world of ML ops, where like not just focusing on straight up machine learning models, but also focusing on tools that are required to productionize and build these machine learning models and use these machine learning models by other people, which I think is absolutely extremely important because like, what's the point of you building something if nobody's there to use it? Admittedly, like maybe it's there for you to learn. That's great. But you also want people to use it so that you can figure out what's wrong with your system or what's right with it. And then keep that process of getting feedback, updating your model, making it usable, getting feedback again. And that loop continues. So I would say kind of more exploration into just building supportive tools to support like data science and a data science, like machine learning model specifically, I should say. And also, I think again, I'm speaking very specific to the industry, a more of a like an understanding by different industry professionals of what data science can bring to the table. Because I think there is probably in certain companies, maybe some companies where it would be nice if they had like, okay, everybody kind of understands at least a little bit where machine learning can fit into their pipelines. And so if they understand at least like where it can fit, then they wouldn't hesitate to actually talk to other data scientists and machine learning engineers and be like, hey, can you help us solve this problem? Because we think you can help us here. Instead of like, if they didn't know it in the first place, then they wouldn't even ask, right?
Yeah.
This is also like kind of the inspiration of the blog post that I posted on Medium, that solving problems the machine learning way, which kind of does go into like how a machine learning engineer would solve a problem and how you can apply the same kind of problem to solving any other problem that you are trying to solve. In the end, whether you're a computer vision engineer or whether I'm a machine learning engineer or anybody else in the world is like a sales marketing professional, in the end, we all solve problems. And the way that we think of problems and approach problems might be slightly different. But here's our perspective from like the machine learning engineering perspective of how we solve problems. And hopefully that could be useful to you.
Yeah.